real quick, just an update, or really the trade breakdown of an options trade I took today, betting on Trump not going through with pretty much blowing up Iran's electric infrastructure, which would be absolutely devastating. I just didn't see that playing out, and what ultimately ended up happening was they both, so the Pakistani prime minister basically proposed and made a proposal in the last like 2 hours before the Trump threat deadline came about, which would be 8 p.m. It's 7:11 right now, but I think this headline came out around like 6 or 5-ish when they said, hey, we will agree to that proposal, which is a ceasefire, basically 2-week ceasefire to continue negotiations. So I bet that Trump would not do that, whether it's a proposal, they accept a ceasefire, something along the lines. But regardless, I just felt Trump wasn't going to do that for multiple reasons. I just felt he wouldn't take it to that point, because basically the Pakistani prime minister with that move gave both parties an out. It gave Iran an out, a potential out, without looking soft, because you know Iran's regime, that's the one thing about them, they don't want to look soft, and neither does Trump. That's also Trump's thing. So this gave them both an out, or at least 2 weeks to kind of figure this out without necessarily having to go to the most drastic, just to not seem like, oh, I'm soft, like I'm crazy because I backed out after starting this. I'm talking about Trump, and then Iran, they need to save face as well. So it worked. I knew this would eventually happen, but this was the out. And as soon as I seen the out, that's actually when I got in. When the Pakistani prime minister proposed that's actually when I brought an option, because that's the moment when I really felt, on top of some stuff that came out earlier, that's when I was like, that was the confirmation for me in my mind that it was gonna go. And that's when I got in that trade. So we'll see how this opens tomorrow, but looking good so far. I bought it for 16. Right now it's at 30 something, 37. So you can see we're already up 131%, but the plan is to sell it as soon as the market opens or close to that. And you can see being already up, so only $21, but we'll see what happens in the morning. Very small risk trade, because I had traded a very small amount, like I stated earlier. Strategy, I'm just gonna call the betting strategy, where you just throw in a situation like this and you just feel fucking good about it.